now you have the outline, right? Now this is the base color all.
Yes.
Yeah, what you need to do is first you select the paint, and then on the painting select spectra.
Spectra.
Yeah. Okay, this is like the base color first. But only the outline, yeah, like this. All right, look. See?
Oh, I was just about to play with it. Oh wow.
Well, let me show you. This is what I did, right?
Okay.
Okay. After this, all you have to do is simply like this. Click. And voila. Alright, now on the BC all, you lock it. You lock the BC all.
Okay, I lock it.
Alright, good. And then create a new layer on the top of BC all. And in here, rename it again. I want to name it this time BC details. Look.
Okay.
Okay, now in BC details, we are going to use a color that is different from the BC all. BC all is 50, right?
Yes.
Yes. On the for the BC details, make sure before you continue, you switch to 75 and put the BC details on the top of BC all, and then click on the BC details, and then click on the clipping mask.
Clipping mask.
Yeah. Now BC details, it means now this is what you do. The nail first.
Only the nail?
Not the nail. After that the eyes. Now we'll start with the nails first. Alright. Now in here we start with the darker color, and then we click and then we select this color first, the 50%, right? And then for a darker color we want darker, so let's increase the number like this, make it like darker. Now in here I think it's good for us to use the one with like spectra or tamar, to create that brush effect. So like this.
Oh, I have Tamar right over here.
Yeah.
Can I use a soft airbrush too?
But the only reason why I'm using this I want to create that
Texture.
Yes.
This also creates texture.
Yeah.
But soft texture.